Back, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to finesse a sew-in that has grown out. So we're just going to jump right into it because I did talk in the video, but I just wanted to do a little intro with the hair already done. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be finessing an old sew-in, and this hair is from SuperNova hair. I did do a tutorial for you dolls on it, so you will see how I straighten it and do my baby hairs and everything like that. So stay tuned. Hey dolls, what's up? So we about to do something to this hair. So I totally forgot when I did the video that I did promise the company to do a tutorial for you dolls, and this sew-in has grown out quite a bit, so I figured it would be the perfect time to show you dolls how you can manipulate a sew-in that has grown out quite a bit, and it's kind of time for you to take it out, but you might have somewhere to go and you still need to be slayed. So I'm going to show you dolls how to do that. After I do it, I am still going to take mine out, but I did want to show you dolls how you can finesse a sew-in that is growing out. And I did want to show you dolls, if you can see, the tracks are way back here, and even right here there is a track that is like sticking up, so I'm gonna snip that off. I have had tracks that have came unsewn in the back that I've already just like pulled out because it was hanging. I've had tracks that have come up and I've been trying to like sew them back down throughout the time. So this sew-in has been through the ringer, honey, and it is definitely time for it to come out. But I'm gonna show you dolls how to finesse it. So basically what I did is I did shampoo and condition the bundles as well as my leave out section. So I already flat ironed this part, and if you can see that part there is basically because the sew-in has pushed back. So I'm just gonna flat iron this front section, and I like to use a mini flat iron. This one is by Plugged In, and it is a Sally's Beauty Supply Store brand. I love these mini flat irons. They work amazing, and I feel like they don't get too hot where it's like burning off your damn hair, but they get hot enough that it gets it nice and straight. So I just take somewhat small sections. I'm not gonna be like so precise with getting it straight on my leave out today, just because I am gonna take my hair down and wash it again anyway, and this is probably, you know, not a good idea to be putting heat on your hair unnecessarily, but I'm doing it for you dolls. So yeah, I'm just gonna flat iron out this, and I will also show you guys how I do my baby hairs. Actually, I had a lady the other day when I went to the nail shop to stop me and say, I wanted to see your baby hairs because they're cute and I don't know how to do them. And I just kind of laughed like, lady, I don't know what to tell you. It was so random. But yeah, so I'm almost done already flat ironing my leave out, which is a very quick process, especially today because I don't necessarily need it to last. And also another thing that I did want to mention to you dolls, if you have a sew-in that has grown out like mine has, and you have your edges out around the front, you can definitely still do a ponytail because your tracks are definitely flexible, so they are easier to pull up into a ponytail. Whenever you want, if you want to wear a ponytail with this, you definitely still can, because if you can see, my hair still flows nicely if I was going to pull it up. The only thing is I do fill in my edges a little bit just because my edges are more fine, and that's just how I was born. Nothing to do with doing any type of processing. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out this track that is sticking up because it's irritating me. I did wash this hair and let it air dry. Like, I actually slept with my hair wet, which is not good because it will make you sick sometimes. But I was okay. It wasn't totally wet. So I'm just going to snip off that piece. And if you don't want to do that, if you want to keep your sewing in, go ahead and just sew it back down. But since I know I'm going to be taking this out it really doesn't matter to me, so I just snipped it off. For the next step, of course, we need to flat iron the hair out because I'm just going to be doing a sleek look that I like to do, and I wear my hair like this a lot, even with the fresh sew-in. So I'm going to be using this flat iron. I already just plugged it up, and I'm going to turn it on and take it to the highest heat setting, which is 450 degrees. And this flat iron is great because it is a wet to dry flat iron. If your hair is still a little bit wet, it will dry your hair without burning it, which most flat irons, if you use it on wet hair, you're going to fry your hair. So you definitely have to use a wet to dry flat iron if your hair is still a little bit damp or whatever. I did blow dry it just a little bit because it was still a little wet back here, and I can still feel that it's a little bit damp, but it should be fine to use with the flat iron and still get nice and straight. So yeah, I'm just gonna detangle the hair out. I haven't really did that since I let it dry. And if you guys can see, the hair kind of has like a really nice little wave to it, and this is straight hair. I don't know if maybe the way I was sleeping on it, it kind of got a little bit scrunched, but you guys know sometimes straight hair can definitely have a bit of a wave to it. So if you want that natural look, you can definitely get that by wetting the hair down and kind of letting it dry. So I'm gonna just comb out this hair, and I'm gonna let the flat iron heat up, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I flat iron it out. I may do one side and then just show you how to do one side because it's really simple. But yeah, the baby hairs and everything will be like the main process, and how I just finesse covering up this grown out sew-in. And yeah, my food just pulled up, so y'all know I'm about to go eat real quick too. I'll be back. y'all, so that pretty much wraps up everything. This little part right here where it's sticking up a bit, what I would do is just spray a little bit of hairspray and go ahead and tie my hair down with a scarf, and then it'll get nice and flat. But this is the basis of what I do, and I like to put the hair behind the ear because it really hides that the sew-in has grown out. So I could totally still wear this if I want to, and I'm kind of thinking I might because I did all of this work. And the hair is really soft and flowy. The hair was still a little bit damp, but the flat iron pretty much dried that up for me. Let's see. This is how long the hair falls on me. And it's really pretty. I love it. So yeah.
Money back, money back, money back, money back. From the front, I got us behind.